Yeah, we have explored the goals of AI, and it's clear that it's not about replacing humans. Yeah. But how do we actually build AI? Let's unravel the 5 essential building blocks.
Now, say Mrs. Astrid Moore asks you to multiply 85 into 85. Take the first digit, which is 8, and multiply it by 8 plus 1, which is
9.
Multiply 8 into 9, which is
72.
Take the two 5s from the units place and multiply them. 5 into 5 is
25.
Put the 2 together and what's your answer?
7225.
First up, it's all about the math. AI relies heavily on mathematical concepts like calculus, linear algebra, and probability. These tools help us build algorithms, analyze data, and make predictions. So think of it as the language of AI. Next, we need the power of computer science. This is where we write the code, design the algorithms, and build the systems that bring AI to life. It's about turning those nice mathematical ideas into the working solutions. But AI isn't just about numbers and code. We also need to understand how humans think and learn. So psychology provides insights into human cognition, perception, and behavior, which are essential for building AI systems that can interact with us effectively. Is that it? No. To truly communicate with humans, AI needs to understand language. Linguistics helps us analyze language structure, meaning, and context, so enabling AI to process and generate human language, which is crucial for applications like chatbots and translation tools. And finally, we need expertise in the specific area where we want to apply AI, whether it is healthcare, finance, or art. Domain knowledge helps us to tailor AI solutions to real-world problems and ensure they are effective and relevant. These 5 building blocks form the foundation of any AI system. So I have created a 2-based framework on this. I generally call it as: to build an algorithm, we need math. To run that algorithm, we need computer science. To transform that algorithm into AI, we need psychology. To deliver outcomes, we need linguistics. To make AI domain specific, we need expertise. Now, by combining mathematics, computer science, psychology, linguistics, and domain expertise, we can create AI solutions that are not only powerful but also ethical, responsible, and beneficial to humanity. So the future of AI is built on these pillars, and it's a future we can all be excited about. So hit that like button and subscribe for more GenShorts, and share your thoughts on the building blocks of AI.